Here's a quick guide on how to use form software for wholesale or B2B orders, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to streamline the process for your business. If you've ever struggled with managing wholesale orders or B2B transactions, this video is for you. We'll show you how to use form software to simplify the ordering process and boost efficiency, so stay tuned. First things first, using form software for wholesale or B2B orders allows you to create customizable order forms that can collect everything you need from your clients all in one place. This software can capture customer details, product selections, quantities, pricing, and even delivery instructions, eliminating the need for manual input. By automating these tasks, you save time and reduce errors. To get started, you'll need to choose a form software that fits your needs. I've tested several popular options, and after going through them, I found a solution that really stands out. The software we'll be using today provides a simple yet powerful way to manage wholesale and B2B orders. And I'm offering an exclusive free trial to viewers of this channel, so make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you're set up with the software, the next step is to create a form tailored to your business. You can easily build your own order form using templates provided in the software. Look for templates specifically designed for wholesale or B2B sales. These will have pre-configured fields for bulk pricing, shipping options, and other features that are unique to wholesale transactions. If you don't see a template that fits exactly what you need, it's simple to customize one yourself. The next step is to configure the payment section of your order form. Depending on the software, you can integrate payment gateways like PayPal or credit card processors. For wholesale or B2B transactions, it's key to offer flexible payment options, especially for large orders. Most form software allows you to accept partial payments or set up payment terms, making it easier to manage orders without dealing with the back and forth. Now let's talk about automation. The beauty of form software is how much it automates. When an order is submitted, you can set up automatic emails to confirm receipt of the order and even send invoices directly to your customers. This reduces the manual work of chasing down payments or sending out order confirmations. Some software even integrates with your CRM system, so customer data can be automatically updated, giving you a complete view of your relationship with each customer. For managing larger orders, you can also set up multi-step forms. This way, you don't overwhelm customers with too many fields at once. Multi-step forms guide customers through the process, making it smoother for them to complete the order. You can split your form into steps like customer information, product selection, payment, and delivery, which makes it easier to track every part of the transaction. The final step is tracking your orders. After the form is submitted, the software lets you track the status of each order, monitor inventory, and ensure timely shipping. This feature is crucial for businesses managing a high volume of B2B orders. It ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and that every order is processed and shipped in a timely manner. Before we wrap up, here's a key takeaway from today. Using form software for wholesale or B2B orders streamlines your entire process, saves you time, and reduces errors. Whether you're setting up custom order forms, automating payment and invoicing, or tracking orders, this software can help you stay organized and improve your customer experience. To quickly recap, we went over how to choose the right form software, how to create customized forms for B2B orders, configuring payment options, automating email confirmations, and using multi-step forms to improve the customer experience. And remember, if you want to follow along and try this software for yourself, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.